What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we're making some crispy fried okra. I'm going to share all of my tips and tricks to make sure this stays crunchy and that none of your breading falls off. Stay tuned, I gotcha. The ingredients are super simple. You're going to need some okra. You can use fresh okra or frozen. If you're using frozen, just be sure to thaw it first. You'll need some eggs, breadcrumbs, cornmeal, flour, spices, and of course some oil. I'm using vegetable oil or canola oil will work as well. Then you're going to want to dice your okra into 1/2 inch to 1 inch pieces. Just make sure they're pretty even in size. That's going to help them cook at the same temperature and make sure that all of these crisp up evenly. Next, I'm going to create the breading for the okra. I'm going to combine the breadcrumbs, flour, cornmeal, and the spices here in a bag. I'm going to kind of shake that up to make sure all of those spices and the breading, all of the ingredients are just evenly distributed. Next, I'm going to dredge those okra pieces in the egg. I'm going to make sure these are fully coated. This is going to help our breading stick to that okra. So once you've got those dredged in eggs, add them to the bag and then shake everything up. And then I like to kind of take a look, take a peek to make sure that everything is equally coated. And from here, I'm gonna let this rest for about 10 minutes prior to frying. That's gonna make sure that that breading has already adhered to the okra and that it doesn't fall off once you place it in oil. I get my oil to a temperature between 350 to 370 degrees. Once you add them to the pan, they only need a few minutes to cook. You want to make sure that both sides are fried, and you want to take these out when they are crispy enough to your liking. Like I said, it's pretty quick. You only need a few minutes. From here, I rest these on a wire rack. I don't use paper towels because if you use paper towels, the oil that these cooked in will seep back into the okra, and that's how you get soggy okra that's not crispy, not crunchy. I want this to be crunchy like some popcorn. So I'm going to place these on a rack, let that air circulate and dry these, and there you have it. Fried okra is so easy to make. It's a southern staple. Like I said, grab you some fresh okra, some frozen okra if you can't find it. Just be sure to defrost it first and it works just as well.